Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a Microsoft account with two-factor authentication and the latest Forza build on your PS5. Once in the game, go straight to Settings, then Account, and choose Link Microsoft Account. This prompts an on-screen code and a short URL. Make sure you can access a phone or PC to finish verification. Doing this now ensures your profile and progression sync correctly. It prevents duplicate save issues and allows cross-platform benefits if the game supports them. Once you have the code, open the browser URL shown and enter the code exactly. This links your PS5 session to that Microsoft identity. Sign into the correct account when prompted and allow the requested permissions so the game can access profile and cloud data. After granting access, return to Forza and confirm the gamer tag appears in account settings. Make sure cloud saves or cross-save is enabled so progress transfers. If there are multiple Microsoft accounts, double-check you picked the intended one. You finish by restarting the game and verifying career and cloud progress now show under your Microsoft gamer tag. That confirms the link. If linking fails, unlink from Forza settings, power cycle your PS5 to clear cache, then repeat the browser verification with a new on-screen code. Also check Microsoft privacy and security settings. Restrictive options can block game data. If problems persist, sign out of other consoles, reissue the code, and contact game support for account-specific restore steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.